Welcome to JH. Comparing ExitLag and NoPing reveals two distinct strategies for tackling the same issue, eliminating latency. NoPing stands out as the more versatile choice, boasting a vast infrastructure of over 2,000 servers, which doubles the capacity of ExitLag. It also promises to enhance your frame rates by as much as 60%. Additionally, it includes bonus tools like Green Aim, an integrated aim trainer, and audio pad for fun voice modifications during gameplay. With a starting price of roughly $4 monthly, it is the more budget-friendly alternative. However, user reviews are varied, with some praising its effectiveness while others report occasional instability. If your primary goal is simply reducing latency, these extra features might seem unnecessary. In contrast, ExitLag offers a more focused experience designed specifically for competitive gaming, prioritizing maximum connection stability. Its intelligent routing acts like a GPS for your data, constantly identifying the quickest path to game servers and rerouting instantly if issues arise. It also provides performance-driven utilities such as traffic shaping and the ability to merge several internet connections to ensure a steady link. While it supports a smaller library of around 300 games, it covers major esports titles like Valorant and CS:GO. The cost is slightly higher unless you share a subscription plan. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. If you prefer a wealth of features, extensive server options, and lower costs, NoPing is the clear winner. However, if you want a streamlined, highly reliable connection for serious competition, ExitLag is the better investment. Both services effectively minimize lag, so you just need to choose between extra perks or consistent performance.